Here we are looking at AONE. This is a 60-minute chart, and I wanted to do this time frame as I think it does the best job of mapping out what's going on from a charting perspective, along with what you want to see continue to happen from the charting perspective. So, obviously, real quick, we'll just go to the daily chart. This is the one that was well up in the dollars, and this was just the beginning. But anyways, it's been in the news quite a bit lately, which is a lot to do with the volume, and I think it's also safe to say that the day traders have been having a pretty good time with this one, as they should. It's been having quite a few swings and has recently started to bounce, as we've seen here. So lots of opportunities for the different strategies for trading. So to start off with, looking here, you can see we have this purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average sloping downwards, and the price did get above it here. So what you'd want to see happen is this resistance to turn into a support, and sure enough, right here you can see that the price did come down, tested it, and then bounced, and then has since headed up from there. So nice little action there, and this is what you're going to want to continue to see happen. As long as the price can maintain above this moving average, eventually it's going to flatten out and then start to curl up. So that's assuming you're a long and not a short. That's what you want to see. So good job so far on this line holding and bouncing the price upwards. So again, as long as the price holds above here, eventually this will flatten out and start to curl upwards. In terms of other levels of support, we have these highs here before the gap up. We'll call this right at 12.5 cents. So this will be another key area of support on any sort of pullback. So if that 50 period does not hold, then the next level that ideally you're going to want to see hold is right here at 12.5 cents. And then if 12.5 cents does not hold, the next price target I would personally put on it would be down here at this level, which is valued at we'll call it 0.098. So 0.098 would be the next level of support, and probably the next level where the price would at least go down and touch it. And then after that, it's would essentially probably be heading right back down here to where it started on that big gap down. So so far so good, though. I'm not saying it will, but these are the three levels of support to keep an eye on. In terms of resistance levels, pretty straightforward. You have these highs up here, and if we scrunch up the chart, you can see that if I drop this line down right here, which comes from these lows here, so this was an area of support. So we'll change this to red, and then when we zoom back in, you'll know where this came from. But again, this was an area of support. Zooming back in here to make this a little easier to see now, you can see how that did just pretty darn good job, the power of charts, of forecasting where this level of resistance would be. So we'll call this level right up here around 19.5 cents being the key level of resistance. And again, you saw that where this level was a key level of support, which is now turned into resistance. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was AONE. Thanks for listening.